tissue. My boy Tata. I didn't have for what maybe she's ship. Oh, no way. What's the week?
Maybe I'll go to the car with you.
Kofi.
Kofi, bro. Many are what you're here. The son of Pamela and now inclination. But at the same time, was our dance. The coach, try to keep it up.
Let's go.
Things are changing these days. Why?
You know, I can't be the same.
Are you sure?
Oh, that's how life is.
No, I'm suspecting something. You know, I know you. I've known you for quite some time now. The way you behave. If there's something, just tell me. Oh?
I'm normal.
Okay. Anyway,
Okay.
I have a good news for you.
Okay.
You remember the contract I was telling you about? That multi-dollar contract.
Yeah.
I spoke to the minister. She gave me the go-ahead. But now the onus lies on you. I just want you to go through. Just go through.
So?
Go through. Just go through.
Wow.
You haven't seen anything yet and you are saying, wow.
No,
Just go through.
the contract,
Yes.
I'm waiting for the contract long time. So I'm happy for you.
You've been waiting for the contract?
Yes. Hey, Cheche. Okay, then I'll go through at the evening time and
Sure.
check everything. Yeah.
It's a multi-dollar contract.
I know everything.
Don't forget, don't let this contract bypass us.
It will never.
All right, in that case, let's talk about this over later.
Thank you.
All right.
Goodbye.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye. Oh, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm fine, boss.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Should I offer you something?
Oh, please, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Boss, we did buy a bonnet.
Okay.
I'm saying, when it's here, me and I'm a child, at the end of crisis in this animal. Na boss, you're mean queenie. Obana married children, I did.
Like how?
Minim. I can't minim too much. I said, they be a watching at the end of one who said you're watching no credit. You are no more dreaming the credit. And I would the tour, no, the tour. Who can't say no, so can different. Was a boss, I had the chair. And at the chair, they say, the Nipana watching at the end. So I'm running once here. Why watching multi-mincher man in Tiasia?
I am a packet one in the yes,
I can't, yes, sir. If you cry, me the nation say, no, auntie, sir. But I'll question who's a very shooting, you know. And my family must simple because me can't be very much chance, and me by better Obano. Who could do any me the floor. Oh, yeah, because I saw this say, me can work.
One thing say, yes, say one facade in our father's. Because say,
me be me, didn't I mean, per se, me the member Hannah, Phoebe, I say, yes,
I haven't given with the council, the Canadian coffee.
Oh, I said, possible food.
Oh, they will food. But only one thing is, and never find the casa. It makes you say, oh, some Friday or Monteti egg. When you are watching, you say, more for as a tenacity, message say, you know. Because
me, the nation is a grand on no, will be at my suit as what cancer fast. Most you cancer when you work yet, but then I know the woman grandma ground yet. Ah, me, yes, as never be enough.
na homework was here, the man, I know what you are.
Oh, sounds so good school, be school, dear. Come maybe dear one day. The boss message will not feel so much, you know. I don't know. Say, I can't be telling the other say, you in I said, be to where we are not what theatre was at least. Was I be a professional and then maybe yes, I am. Maybe go house to house of classes. My church did do my baby. Okra consideration, but they can't come a level anyway. Papa mentioned Adina a consideration.
Mamma Casimiro, Sicaro, the consideration. As I said, you will see Casa, Emma, one actor, Wellington. Mamma Casimiro, Casimiro, new consideration. And at least I paid you according to your work. In Tino, so because of and I want to true for my baby. It's also good to it's you.
Of course, maybe to Jessica because I mean, as a teacher, no, the job is first. My work is first. After my work is the payment. Then maybe dream do more than payment. You know, I said, Metro Banana Diana Dachiga, but by being a petit runner, maybe no any payment.
Then thank you. When we think we have some men, we paddles with the the reason when Tiama Fanny, yes. And two, or balance the message of and was that way, Yaminquaka Messanasi. No one, the work Canadian, Nessa was over having battle cacra.
No, boss, at least me, Yama from with the bet, I can't name woman.
Okay, but I
can't put here for to be as a crab teacher, nature, she don't act as a student.
And one thing about how to take care of a children, they say, Uni about try won't mention them of Friday. Into Yesu Christo quantity near side was a mom of final coin no maintain. Now one son was running on one company for some. You would say them of flat as ethnicity. It would let me go home and talk to my wife and my daughter.
Okay, boss.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I hope say
mini problem. Mini problem. Say no problem and come in from America. I don't have any problem, but just talk to them. I know one can send every money because boss I did enough for more. And son, I want you to cry the amount crying till the work and boss. Enough money easy.
Matty, take this as transportation.
Oh, boss, oh,
no. What you bad is we are not quite here from Busmaki to me. And mouse can't even free way mother take us to TNT.
I will request you going to maintain go 50 days.
If they mean to be,
I tell the boss, Mako,
Yano,
Bibian soon you'll be to make a
Matty.
Let's
do that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
What's your chance? I said, baby, I was
said, I'm going to be a road and construction minister. Ghana,
for the old canteen of come on.
I think before I speak,
that's it.
Was the enemies are more.
I'll take my leave.
Okay, thank
if
you.
Anything you hear from me, thank you.
And you are the teacher, and before you as a teacher, look at the English that you are speaking.
You and the teacher.
You as a teacher.
Because the Unquarabia baby as a
friend.
Was I'm going to tell you something. Yes,
okay.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Greeting.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Please don't forget to bring me the dresses on Friday. You know I have a place to go. I have a wedding to attend.
The wedding is Saturday.
Yes, I told you.
I'll bring them.
Hi, Mandy.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Please, I've placed some things at the hall. Please kindly check for me and arrange it.
All right.
Thank you.
Look at you. Stop it.
Why are you staring at him?
Him.
Yeah.
Who is he?
Yes, him.
Yeah, I know. Who is he?
Who is who? Who is who?
Stop it.
Don't start. I beg. Don't start.
Why are you like this?
Hey. What?
What? What?
Don't go there.
Stop
I
it.
beg
now.
you.
Who is he?
Who is who? Who is who? You came to visit me, my friend. What?
Who is he?
That's my husband's brother. What? Wow.
Nothing. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey.
So you will need the dress on Saturday.
Me uncle.
Stop it now. You will need the dress on
I
Saturday.
will need it. 4 a.m. What do you mean by this time of the night? What's the best time for me to tell you something? I need something.
Baby, please, let's make it in the morning, okay?
You can't even ask me what I need the money for, or the amount of money that I need. Like, let's be real. I need some money. I want to talk to you. I need some money.
How much?
1,000.
Baby, you know, I can't provide it today. So let's make it. This week, I'll give it to you.
Alright, today is Wednesday, so make sure by the close of the week I'll get it.
It means you are forcing me or what?
I'm not forcing you. I need it. It's urgent. I need to get some stuff. So, what is the persuasion in this thing?
But your facial expression, the mood that you used to talk, meaning
Wait, I need 1,000. You said you can't get it to me today, right? I can't have it today, right? So I'm telling you, I will need it by the close of the weekend. Let's not stress ourselves. So go back to sleep.
how are you doing?
I'm fine, boss.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Should I offer you any soft drink?
No,
Not that you, bro. Hey, bye. Hey. Okay.
Picking up.
I your friend say. Udini say. Louisa. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
May I offer you something?
Please come again.
Should I offer you something?
Oh,
Rich host today, yes, I will be rich.
Serious.
Sir.
Serious.
Yonko.
But I'll quite you who's a very shooting dinner. And my family are simple because baby, I make sure I me feel.
Yes, well.
Yonko.
Picking up. Still recording. Action.
I'm say very shooting dinner, Miss Bia. What didn't you media grocer because we carry baby and me chere and said I me flew about one. Go to enemy.
Now, what do you go to?
I'll run Jimmy.
Action.
Oh, chichi. And two, Obama, so the message was
Because and was that I mean, Yamin Waka Miss Anasi.
Okay, Namin Kwayam Kopi now. Okay, picking up Yanko.
Bro. Bro. But you over that.
Come on, son.
Come on, the best. Just and for more. Okay.
See, Rich, acting now, directors working now, what cat scene.